Hey everyone, so today I'll be talking about this KitchenAid knife block set. This comes with 12 pieces, as you can see here. Just to kind of start off here right off the bat. I think this is going to be wood in the back or some sort of synthetic material. I believe so. I can't really tell. It doesn't really say on it. So it comes with 12 pieces, so it's going to come with your basic standard steak knives. You're going to get about 1, 2, 3, 4, so you're going to get about 5 of those. You're going to get five steak knives. Actually, sorry, 6 steak knives. There you go. That makes sense. Makes a lot more sense. Then you're going to get what I believe is going to be a paring knife, and also with it, this is going to be like a bread cutting knife. It's a little serrated. I don't know if you guys can tell. Doesn't say specifically on it, but it is serrated, so you can use that for cutting a lot of times pretty much bread. Then we're also going to have a smaller chopping knife as well too. This is good for chopping up all of your vegetables. Then we have a bigger serrated knife, which is pretty much going to be for the breads. And then we have our big, of course, last but not least, our huge cutting knife. This is going to be your basic cutting knife. And then it also comes with a set of shears. And these actually, do they come apart? I know sometimes they come apart. Let's take a look. I don't think so. No, so these don't come apart. Sometimes from some of the shears that I've had in the past, they actually do come apart. These ones actually don't. One other item that this does include that's actually really nice is that it comes with its own knife sharpener right in there. So you pretty much just put your knife in and just pretty much set it as such. These knives, I've had this whole set for pretty much actually about a few months now. I'll probably say a good 5 months now. I haven't needed to use the sharpening tool. I haven't noticed that they're gotten blunt, so they pretty much worked out for me. So these are going to be written right on a KitchenAid. It tells you how long the actual blade is, and that it's a German steel, which is always really nice. If that means anything to you, by all means. I'm not exactly sure if that's some sort of quality standard, if German steel pretty much states what type of quality it is, but they have been nice. They cut really well. They're not dull or anything. One nice thing that I know that when I used to work in selling knives is that the whole knife, the whole blade, I mean, goes all the way through, so you're not going to get cracks in it. It's actually really nice on that. My personal impressions with a lot of these guys is that they're all really great. Yeah, the steak knives are great just for your basic cutting tools. The paring knife is awesome. I don't use it. A couple of folks in my family do. It's really good when you want to start using, when you want to start cutting a lot of vegetables or small fruits. It's really nice. It cuts and gets to the point. It has a very sharp end, which is really nice, and it's small, lightweight enough to pretty much be easily maneuverable. Then we have here, this guy here is always an interesting guy here. I use it for some breads a lot of times, but other than that, I don't really use it too much. If you guys can see, let me actually zoom in just a tad. You guys can actually see that it has like a small little serrated edge. So that'll come in handy if you ever need anything that has a very fragile surface and you need to be able to get in there and start cutting. This little chopping guy is actually great. This actually can be used pretty much a lot more times for vegetables. It's nice, and as you can tell, it's wide, so a lot of times when you're cutting things up, and you can just scoop it up and put the item in the plate or the pot or whatever you're using it for. But here's this really good guy here. So serrated knives, as you know, whenever you are cutting bread, you're going to want to use a serrated knife. That's pretty much the only instances when I do use them, or if you have some sort of other bigger pastry, anything like that. This is a nice long handle. Nice long, so let me see here. It tells you again the length of it. Sorry, so I'm not sure what this much is there. It shows you the length, again, German steel, and it does have this 1.028 denotation on it. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but this is a good knife as well. And last but not least, surprisingly, I actually haven't used this chopping guide, because a lot of times if you are chopping something smaller, you can actually use the other smaller chopping knives. So those are pretty good. And just your basic shears here, these guys are really sharp. You're going to want to be careful with them. You can use these pretty much to cut right into meat a lot of times, so that's always a nice little feature of them. Or if you have some sort of bone, smaller bones, not too big bones. I haven't tried anything bigger than chicken with it, but it is pretty good. Looking at the actual block itself is nice and sturdy. The gray is nice because it's the gray color, pretty much is nice because it can kind of blend in, and it doesn't really stand out too much on your counter. So once again, this is a KitchenAid 12-piece knife set block. Enjoy.